Okay. For the 10th time, for the 20th time, Omar and Karim, would you please turn on your cam? Thank you, Omar. Thank you. لازم الحاجة تتقال 20 مرة عشان يعني I don't know بصراحة. يعني نوفر وقت ونوفر مجهود نوفر مجهودنا بقى في حاجة تانية مفيدة، ولا انتوا ايه رأيكم؟ Okay, let's start. I will just say the word, okay? Number one,
Okay.
population. Population. Number two, realize. Realize.
Miss number 2 ايه؟
Realize.
هي ميز.
Yes. Three, traditional food. Traditional food. Four, influence. Influence. Influence.
قول يا مس.
Influence. Influence.
معنية.
Five, representation of life. Representation of life.
مس نمبر 5 ايه؟
Representation of life. Representation of life.
مثلا سمع representation بعدها ايه؟
Of life. الحياة. Of life. Six, accurate. Accurate.
مس هم كام كلمة؟
Sorry.
كام كلمة هم؟
10.
اوكي.
Number 6, accurate. Okay. Seven, settle in. Settle in.
settle in.
Settle. Settle in.
settle in. مس كانت قبلها ايه؟ معلش settle in كانت قبلها ايه؟
Settle in معناها يستوطن.
انا بقول قبلها ايه؟ كانت ايه الكلمة اللي قبلها؟
Accurate. Accurate.
مس هي
Hmm.
هي accurate double C صح؟
Yes. Okay. 8, bond with. Bond with.
بوند بس تمام.
9. Aspect. Aspect.
aspect.
Yes. Number 10. Immigrate. Immigrate with I. Immigrate.
immigrant. يعني مهاجر صح؟
Yes. Okay, did you miss any of the words?
الله.
Did you miss any of the words?
ايه؟
نسيتوا حاجة؟
ماشي بس الكلمة التانية ما سمعتهاش كويس.
Second, realize. Realize.
realize تمام.
If you remember last Sunday, we revised the present simple. Do you remember? You know, the present simple, it's the easiest grammar lesson. You know, he, she, it, plus verb, plus S. And if the verb ends with S, SS, SH, CH, XO, we add ES. And if the verb ends with Y, we remove the Y and put IES if there is no vowel before the Y. And if there is a vowel before the Y, we leave the Y as it is and add S, right? This is the rules for he, she, and it. And for I, they, we, you, we don't put S. We put the verb in the infinitive. And we talked about the negative. I, they, we, you, don't plus infinitive. And he, she, it doesn't plus infinitive, right? And the question, we have two kinds of questions, yes or no questions, or the short questions. They start with do or does, and the answer should be yes or no. Does she sleep? Yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. Do you speak English? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. This is the short questions. And with the long questions, it's called the WH questions. We put what do you like, for example. What does she play? So I put the question word, then the helping verb do or does, then the subject, then the verb in the infinitive. We talked about the present simple last time. Do you remember? Omar and Kareem, is it okay? The present simple? Okay, the second tense that you have in Unit 1 is the present continuous. Okay, wait, I will revise it quickly. And then we will answer some questions, okay? Just give me a second. Please send your dictation now, please.
أنا بعته يا مس.
بعتوه?
أنا بعته.
Oh, I didn't send it, please. Okay, thank you. Can you see the screen share? Can you see the screen share? Can you see the screen share?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the present continuous? The present continuous, it's an action that is happening now, right? It's an action that is happening now, at the moment, immediately. These are the keywords of the present continuous. يعني حاجة بتحصل now حالا. Now I'm speaking. Now you are listening. Okay? So the keywords of the present continuous: now, at the moment, immediately, look, ممكن listen كمان, suddenly, still, this week, today. All these words are keywords for the present continuous. Whenever you see them, you use the present continuous. Okay? So let's revise the rule of the present continuous. Okay, he, she, it. He, she, it. We put what? Is plus verb ing. Is plus verb ing. Okay? Right. With I put what? We put verb to be after the subject. I am verb ing. He, she, it is plus verb ing. They, we, you are plus verb ing. Okay, we call it the verb in the gerund, verb in the ing. Okay, so the rule of the present continuous: subject plus verb to be plus verb ing. Verb to be احنا عارفينه اللي هو am, is, are. وعارفين كل واحدة فيهم بتيجي مع ايه, right? So I am verb ing, he, she, it verb ing, they, we, you are verb ing. Okay, so let's see. She is cooking in the kitchen. She is cooking in the kitchen. This is which tense? Huh? This is which tense? أي زمن ده? This is the present continuous, correct? This is the present continuous.
أيوة.
They are staying in London for a week, for a few days. Okay, so they are staying, present continuous. Let's read the other examples. I'm eating my lunch now. By the way, the keywords, I can put them at the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence or in the middle of the sentence. I mean, we can say, I'm eating my lunch now, or now I'm eating my lunch, or I'm now eating my lunch. So the keyword, it's okay to put it anywhere for the present simple. Okay? He's playing football at the moment. She's speaking English now. It is sleeping now. They are reading. We are listening to music immediately. You are driving your car now. So these are some examples of the present continuous. So subject plus verb to be plus verb ing. Subject plus verb to be plus verb ing. Okay, this is the rule. Okay, what about the negative? These are other examples. I'm reading now. They are eating now. Okay, let's see the negative. How do we make the negative? I put not with verb to be. I'm not eating. She's not playing. He's not driving. We are not watching TV. They are not traveling. Okay, so if you want to make the negative of the present continuous, we put the word not with verb to be. Okay, I know it's easy, but I'm just refreshing your information or your grammar lessons. Okay, so I'm not, he's not, she's not, they are not, we are not, you are not plus verb ing, right? And as you know, each tense has, we have two kinds of questions: yes or no questions or WH question. This is other negative. We add not to make sentences negative. The children aren't playing. The children are not playing. Okay. Let's see the questions. We change the order of is and are to make questions. Okay, let's see. Is Jerry driving a bike? خلي بالك لو السؤال هيبدأ ب verb to be عشان ده في الدايلوج مهم وساعات بتتلخبط. لو الإجابة في ال present continuous. اوكي، طب هعرف منين؟ طيب لما أقول لك is Jerry riding a bicycle؟ طيب طالما الإجابة السؤال بإز يبقى هيبقى الإجابة yes or no only. only لأن verb to be هنا معناها هل. احنا قلنا هل في البريزنت سيمبل اللي هي ايه؟ قلتها لكم المرة اللي فاتت. كلمة هل اللي هي إجابتها yes or no في البريزنت سيمبل اللي هي ايه أو ايه؟ اللي بنعمل بيها short questions in the present simple. حبايبي كلمة هل في البريزنت سيمبل اسمها ايه؟ do أو does right؟ طب في البريزنت continuous اسمها ايه؟ بنبدأ ب verb to be is or am or are. تمام؟ دول في الترجمة اسمها هل. اوكي طيب لما السؤال يبقى بهل، هل شاري riding a bike or a bicycle؟ يبقى الإجابة yes or no only. Yes she is, no she isn't. اوكي. Are they cooking؟ Yes they are, no they aren't. عشان لو لقينا سؤال في الدايلوج بالpresent continuous بيبدأ ب verb to be am or is or are, the answer should be short answer. Okay? طيب the other kind of questions, the WH questions. خلاص بقى أنا هسأل إيه؟ مش هسأل بقى بهل، لا بسأل بقى على حاجة. يعني مثلا أقول لك إيه؟ What is she doing or what is he doing؟ يبقى what plus verb to be plus subject plus verb ing. What verb to be plus subject plus verb ing. What is he doing؟ طيب طالما لقينا السؤال بيبدأ ب question word اللي هي what, where, which, when, how long, how often, the answer should be complete answer. He's drawing a map. He's playing tennis. She's doing her homework. اوكي يبقى لو لقينا السؤال جاي لنا في الدايلوج بيبدأ ب verb to be am أو is أو are. Is she playing? Are they speaking French? Is he playing tennis? لو لقينا السؤال بيبدأ ب verb to be يبقى الإجابة تبقى yes or no only. Yes he is, no he isn't. Yes they are, no they aren't. Yes she is, no she isn't. طيب لو السؤال جاي لنا ب question word اللي هي where, which, when، لا لازم اجاوب بقى اجابه كامله. لان question word مش معناها هل، انا بسال على حاجه معينه عايزه اجاوب عليها. what is he doing؟ هو بيعمل ايه؟ he's drawing a map. اوكي طيب ممكن نقول ايه can you give me a question in the present continuous WH question or long question؟ فكروا كده في السؤال ممكن نعمله في present continuous زي ايه مثلا؟ can you tell me كريم any question with long form.
What do you do on holiday?
sorry لا مش دو، ملناش دعوه بدو دي present simple. احنا في present continuous دلوقتي. خلي بالك. انت عايز تقول ايه؟ قول لي وانا هساعدك. مم.
What are you doing on holiday?
What are you doing? Yes, what are you doing? Okay, very good. Okay, Omar, can you give me other example? Question in the present continuous.
What are you playing?
What are you playing? Okay. يبقى عادل, can you give me other question? عادل. عادل, are you there?
Yes.
Can you give me a question in the present simple? Sorry, present continuous.
Present continuous, yes. What is he playing? What is he play? What is he playing? He is playing football.
Yes, okay. طيب كده يعني أنا بفكركم بالpresent continuous. What are they doing؟ دي هنقول عليها she's dusting. They are cooking. They are cooking. أوكي طيب. What is he doing؟ He is swimming. He is not sleeping. What is she doing؟ She's dancing. She's not reading. What are they doing؟ They are running. They are not eating. Okay? Up till now, the present continuous, is it clear? The present continuous, is it clear؟ في حاجة مش فاهمينها في ال present continuous؟
لا تمام.
يبقى ال present continuous, it's an action that we use it that something is happening now. حاجة بتحصل حالا. Right? So the present continuous, it's an action that is happening now or at the moment, or listen, suddenly, look. All these are keywords for the present continuous. Okay? Right. I will share the screen now with a worksheet to answer it together. أنا نفسي أعرف يا عادل مين اللي في الصورة دي. هي دي شخصية كرتونية معروفة؟ أنا مش عارفة.
معروف جدا، ده جنبه يعني.
ده اسمه إيه بقى؟
بس قديم جدا يعني أي حد يعرفه.
طب اسمه إيه عشان أنا ما أعرفوش؟
جنبه.
اسمه إيه؟
جنبه.
لا، أنا أول مرة أعرف والله. ده مشهور يعني؟ مم. مم. تمام. Just give me one second. طيب هنشوف بقى في الاكسرسايز ده. احنا المره اللي فاتت خدنا present simple وعملت عليه ريفيجن النهارده. والpresent continuous. Use the verb in the present simple or the present continuous. هنشوف الجمله ونشوف هنستخدم لها present simple ولا present continuous. اوكي؟ نقرا الجمله بالراحه، مش فاهمينها نقراها تاني وهنحل مع بعض. اوكي؟ طيب. عمر, can you start number 1? Can you see the screen share?
أنا في المركز. وانت.
طيب اقراها كده معلش من الاول يا عمر. My brother often
وانت
to school on
والفوت.
foot. هو often ده keyword for which tense؟ present simple. اولا انت بتقول went وانا ما جبتش سيره البوست simple اصلا. احنا لسه ما رجعناش البريزنت simple. البوست simple هنا هو عايز نستخدم يا اما present simple مضارع بسيط او present continuous مضارع مستمر. ماليش دعوه بالبوست، ماليش دعوه بالماضي دلوقتي. اوكي؟ let's see. كلمه often لما كنا بنقول المره اللي فاتت often, sometimes, usually, always, every day, every week, every month. These are keywords for the present simple. Right? طيب.
أيوه
طيب my brother ده اللي هو he صح؟ طيب verb
أيوه.
go. verb go if I want to make it with he هنكتبه ازاي؟ present simple.
مش هو جو وانت.
انا ماليش دعوه بالبوست يا عمر، انا عايزه اخليه present simple. هو هنا مفيش yesterday ولا last week ولا last month عشان اقول went. هنا في keyword للبريزنت سيمبل اللي هي often، هو عايزها في البريزنت. يبقى نفتكر مع بعض الرول اوف ذا present simple. مش لسه قايل لكم اول السيشن في verbs بحط لها s، في verbs بحط لها es، في verbs بحط لها ies. طب الverbs اللي اخرها o، ها، x، sh دول بحط لهم es. طب verb go ده اخره o، right؟
أيوة.
يبقى هعمل ايه؟ يبقى هزود ايه على جو عشان مع هي، my brother ده هي. يبقى هزود ايه على جو؟ هزود اس ولا اي اس؟
اس.
لا هي مش او، ده مش انا لسه قايله لك يا عمر؟
أيوة هي اس.
اكس او، اكس او. الفيربات اللي اخرها الverbs that ends with o or x، حتى نفتكرها بلعبه اكس او. عارفين لعبه اكس او؟ نفتكرها بيها. لو لقينا الفيرب اخره x o ss sh we add es with he she and it. يبقى ده الفيرب اخره او، يبقى هزود ايه؟ es، right؟
أيوة.
هيبقى my brother often goes goes. اوكي، ناخد بالنا من الكي ووردز، هي اللي هتقول لنا هنجاوب بالبريزنت سمبل ولا بالبريزنت كونتينوس. لقينا between brackets كلمة not، يبقى هو عايز الفيرب in the negative. اوكي، طيب let's see number 2 كريم.
Look, the school uniform today. Aren't worse?
sorry.
Aren't worse?
aren't what؟
نضيف اس يعني worse.
انا والله مش سامعه. الاول قول لي يا كريم، هو ده هيبقى present continuous ولا present simple؟ يعني لقينا كلمة look listen now immediately suddenly، كل دي الكي ووردز لما اشوفها استخدم ال present ايه؟ continuous. طب هو هنا عايزها في النيجاتيف، هتبقى they.
aren't صح ولا لا؟ طيب.
aren't صح. aren't ايه بقى؟
طيب worse.
مش احنا قلنا الفيرب بنحطه في ال ing مع ال present continuous؟
wearing.
yes. So look, they are not wearing or aren't wearing school uniforms today. اوكي، خلي بالنا من الرول. اوكي، verb to be plus not plus verb ing، ده في النيجاتيف. طب لو في الافيرماتيف في البوزيتيف verb to be ing. طب let's see number 3 عادي. You usually the keyword for which tense؟
usually ال present continuous
no،
simple.
present simple. sometimes always usually often every day every week every month، كل دول present simple. حبايبي عايزين نذاكر درس بدرسه عشان ما يتكوموش علينا، احنا خلاص في الريفيجن. يعني مفيش مفر ان احنا لازم نذاكر. احنا كنا لو مقصرين شويه الفتره اللي فاتت خلاص احنا في الريفيجن، والامتحان after 2 weeks or 3 weeks maximum. فما فيش وقت نذاكر، بليز نذاكر. احنا لسه على فكره في الدروس الاولانيه السهله، اللي جاي ان شاء الله برضو سهل بس نركز. وعلى فكره الدروس اللي جايه معتمده على ان انا ابقى فاهمه الدروس دي كويس. كله معتمد على كله، فنمشي كده خطوه خطوه مع بعض ودرس درس عشان نفهم اللي جاي. اوكي، طيب usually is keyword for the present simple. تمام. طيب قلنا ال present simple يا اما بسأل ب do does يا اما question word. طيب هنا you usually space Mr. Brown on your way to school. هل انت رأيت مستر براون وانت رايح المدرسة؟ فهل دي هنقولها ازاي؟ يو بتاخد دو ولا داز يا عادل؟
do بتاخد do.
يس، يبقى do you usually. ها،
do you usually see
Do and does, the verb comes after them in the infinitive.
see
See, yes. يبقى do you usually see زي ما هي هنحطها، لأن بعد do أو does الverbs تيجي في الانفينيتيف، ولا بحط كده كده مش هحط اس عشان ده you. حتى لو هنا في، حتى لو هي دي he أو she هتبقى does she usually see برضه. الفيرب اللي هيجي مع do أو does بنحطه في الانفينيتيف. اوكي؟ طيب. Number 4 عمر. Thomas granny always 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 ده present simple ولا present continuous؟
present simple.
برافو. طيب Thomas granny اللي هو grandfather يعني. always bake his lunch into his lunch box. okay. bake ده verb عادي خالص. Thomas granny اللي هو هيبقى he. اوكي. he present simple بتاخد ايه مع الفيرب؟ he بتاخد ايه مع الفيرب؟
ايه
sorry؟
ايه مش سؤال.
he اللي هو توماس جراني اللي هو هيبقى هو الفيرب bake هياخد ايه مع he present simple؟
اه
ولا اي اس ولا اي اي اس؟
اس.
اس بس. اخره كي constant حرف ساكن عادي يبقى خط اس، يبقى always bakes PACK. اوكي. طيب كريم. when space your desk mate usually do his homework. usually ده present simple or present continuous؟ present
Simple.
simple. present simple.
مم.
طيب. في ال question word في ال present simple after when we put what؟ desk mate ده اللي هو your friend. لا دي your، خلي بالك دي
Do.
your مش you. your friend ده يبقى he أو she صح؟ صديقة. هيبقى تاخد ايه بقى هنا؟
Does.
does. برافو. يبقى when does your desk mate or your friend usually
Do زي ما هي.
I didn't hear again.
لا. Do
لا
زي
مش
ما هي.
do his homework. yes. عشان بعد does أو do I put the verb in the infinitive. ساعات يبقى جايب لنا between brackets الverb صح، بس هو عايز يعرف انت فاهم ولا لا. فاهمني؟ مش معنى ان هو كاتبه صح between brackets ان انا لازم اغيره، لا. هو عايز يتأكد ان انت فاهم ان هنا في does يبقى هنا الverb in the infinitive، هنا في do برضه الverb في الانفينيتيف. after do or does سواء في الquestion سواء في الانسر the verb in the infinitive. اوكي. يبقى when does your friend usually do his homework. اوكي. عادل. sometimes we a bike to school.
sometimes we ride
Yes, ride a bike to school because they, we, you, I, verb in the infinitive without s. Very good. Okay, Omar. My mother between brackets have an orange every morning. قلنا كلمة every morning, every evening, every day, every month. كلمة every لما نشوفها بستخدم ال present simple. Okay. طيب يبقى my mother. ينفع أقول my mother have؟ هنقول my have دي present بس have ينفع تيجي مع my mother؟
لا.
يبقى ايه اللي هيجي مع my mother؟
ها
sorry؟
ها has.
has. yes. my mother اللي هي she has an orange every morning. okay. number 8 كريم.